With the Intellifi mobile app, you can identify connected devices, group devices by persons in the home, and monitor internet usage. On the bottom of your screen, you'll find the Devices tab. Click on the Devices icon to see a list of connected devices. The app automatically identifies devices and shows the ones that are online or offline. Click on one of the devices and rename it to a more identifiable name, such as Mom's iPad. If you see a device that you don't recognize, you can also block that device. You can create profiles for everyone in your home and assign devices to each person. This allows you to categorize users and assign profiles for kids or device types. To create a new profile, tap the plus icon on the top left of the screen. Start by typing in the person's name or nickname, assign devices to that user, and even add a profile picture if you want to. You can assign a primary device to a user or profile. Push notifications let you know when a device leaves or rejoins the network. This presence feature is helpful to know when a person is leaving or arriving home. Ideal to know when kids are back. You can toggle push notifications on or off by clicking on the Account tab and clicking on the Notifications icon.